MilesTek has just released a new series of industrial Ethernet patch cords with low-smoke, zero-halogen jackets and double shielding to address demanding military and industrial Ethernet connectivity applications. These rugged Category 5E rated assemblies can be used in various applications including mobile and fixed military communications and networks, oil and gas, automation, manufacturing, and any application where harsh environments exist. Offering maximum protection against EMI and RFI interference, MilesTek's double-shielded patch cables feature 2 layers of shielding to ensure data is protected from stray EMI and RFI fields. Additionally, these new cable assemblies feature 24-gauge solid conductors which allow for easy termination to IDC connectors and low-smoke, zero-halogen jackets to protect valuable equipment and lives in the event of a fire. To find out more about these new industrial Ethernet cable assemblies, visit MilesTek.com.